Hey, what's up? JD here with the Fusion Pipeline right here on YouTube with a quick analysis on how powerful the M15 Mod assault rifle truly is with the new 50 caliber attachment that you can unlock from the weekly challenges. So let's jump right in. Shout out to B-Man for this operator build because it's absolutely busted, as he says. With this build, the M15 Mod will be at its peak performance. If you want to copy this build, go for it. But the focus for the mod will be Eagle Eye and Bulldozer. We're going to hop into Avalon and I'll show you how the M15 Mod 50 cal attachment works with and without Bulldozer, with and without crit damage. As you see, as its uncommon base damage ratio, it hits around 400 to 559 crit and 1500 to 2100 crit damage. At Legendary, its non-crit is around 8 to 900, while crits total out to 3100. When the weapon reaches Exotic, the damage slightly increases with a non-crit between 800 and 1600 with a crit of 3850. But with the Marked for Death Vision Pulse enhanced ability, its non-crit peaks between 2 and 7,000 at most, but crits hit around 12,000. Keep in mind, with Eagle Eye, Last Shot Plus increases the damage significantly at 3,100 non-crit and 24,000 crit damage. But what happens when you combine Bulldozer with Eagle Eye? Up close, you're averaging between 2,600 and 4,000 damage non-crit, but the crits are dramatic, locking in around 14,000. However, point blank non-crit with the Marked for Death Vision Pulse ability active, you're hitting around 6,900 damage. But the crits maxes out around 7,800 to 18,300 damage, depending on distance with Bulldozer. Even when defeating the Cradle Champion on the exfil, that Vision Pulse enhanced ability combined with Bulldozer and Eagle Eye, I actually hit a higher damage ratio at 23,823. Now that's broken. Now shout out to my buddy Randall for the idea of using free fire due to the low fire rate. You can focus on damage without sacrificing reloading every 7 seconds. If I were to grade this 50 cal attachment for the M15 mod, I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10, simply because you can't get Sharpshooter, nor can you acquire Recoil Delete. The attachment is cool for Endgame, but I believe most of these weapon mods and attachments that have been going on with the weekly challenges, these were specifically built, possibly for Warzone and multiplayer. So that's it, folks. If you want an analysis on another weapon for Endgame, drop your idea in the comments. This is JD. Happy hunting.